This week for social studies, we are going to be doing a series of activities, and we're going to be talking about how we can know when people are being treated unfairly. So you're going to be doing some activities where you're looking at pictures. For example, today, you are going to look at these pictures on the screen. Some of you may remember we learned about Ruby Bridges. So these are pictures of Ruby Bridges trying to go to school and how the people were treating her and the way that they were acting towards her. So I want you to look at these pictures today, and I want you to think about how these pictures make you feel, and if you think Ruby Bridges is being treated fairly or unfairly. And you guys are going to get to do a free write, which means you can write about whatever you want. You could talk about how these pictures make you feel, how you think she's being treated, maybe just something that you notice in the pictures. So you're just going to write a sentence or two today to tell me about what you see and how these pictures make you feel. If you cannot think of a way to get started, on this last slide I put some examples for you. You could start by saying, this picture makes me feel, or I notice, or Ruby is being treated blank. So you can pick one of these sentences to write, or you can write your own sentence. So you're just going to use these pictures to write and tell me how you feel or what you notice, and then you're going to click where it says click here and upload a picture of your work.